Hey math adventurers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going on a super exciting mission to meet a real-life superhero. But this hero isn't from a comic book. They're from the world of numbers. Get ready to meet the minus sign superhero. So, what does this amazing hero do? The minus sign has a special power, the power of taking away or subtraction. Think of it like this. When the minus sign shows up, it means some things are going to disappear. It helps us find out how many are left. Let's see it in action. Imagine you have 5 yummy cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They look delicious. But then your friend comes over and you share 2 cookies with them. So you started with 5 cookies and you gave away 2. That's where our minus sign superhero swoops in. We can write this as 5 minus 2. The minus sign tells us we're taking 2 away from 5. How many cookies do you have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 cookies left. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. See, subtraction is just like sharing, but let's try another one. Picture this. You're playing with 10 colorful toy cars. Vroom, vroom. 10 amazing cars all lined up. But oh no, 3 of them roll under the sofa and get lost. So you had 10 cars and you lost 3. We use our minus sign superhero to write this problem. 10 minus 3. Can you figure out how many cars are left? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 cars left. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. You guys are getting so good at this. Subtraction is everywhere in our daily lives. It's not just about cookies or toys. Think about when you have a bag of 10 balloons for a party and 1 pops. Bang! Now you have 10 minus 1, which is 9 balloons left. Or maybe you have 7 crayons and you give 1 to your sibling. You started with 7, you took 1 away, so you have 6 left. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Every time you see something being taken away, reduced, or used up, that's subtraction in action. The minus sign is the hero that helps us understand what's remaining. Let's look at how we write a subtraction problem. It's super simple. You have the first number, which is the total you start with. Then comes our hero, the minus sign. After that, you have the number of things you're taking away. And finally, the equal sign, which tells us the answer or what's left over. For example, 8 minus 4 equals 4. We started with 8, took away 4, and we're left with 4. Let's do a quick fire round to see how much you've learned. Are you ready? What is 4 minus 2? If you have 4 apples and eat 2, you have 2 left. Great job. What about 6 minus 3? Imagine 6 birds on a branch and 3 fly away. How many are left? 3. You got it. One last one. What is 5 minus 5? If you have 5 stickers and you give all 5 to your friends, how many do you have left? 0. A big goose egg. You have none left. You've all done an amazing job meeting our minus sign superhero today. Subtraction might seem a little tricky at first, But it's just about taking things away to see what's left. Keep practicing with your toys, your snacks, or anything you can count around the house. The more you practice, the more powerful your own math skills will become. Thanks so much for joining our math adventure today. You are all subtraction superstars. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun learning videos. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.